Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the TED Talk 2023. Today, we are thrilled to unveil a remarkable health device that will revolutionize the way we restore and enhance our well-being. Introducing the Restore Lounge. This cutting-edge technology combines advanced neuroscience, biofeedback, and state-of-the-art design to provide unparalleled relaxation, recovery, and rejuvenation. I've struggled with stress and anxiety for years, but after using the Restore Lounge, I feel a profound sense of calm and inner peace. It's like a reset for my body. I wake up every morning feeling energized and ready to take on the day. I've never experienced anything quite like it. The Restore Lounge has truly transformed my well-being. Built on the latest research and backed by experts in the field, the Restore Lounge offers a wide range of targeted programs to address various health concerns. Whether you're struggling with sleep disorders, chronic pain, or simply want to optimize your performance, the Restore Lounge has a program tailored just for you. Our team has dedicated years to crafting this device, merging the art of relaxation and science. We can't wait for you to experience it for yourself. Join us on this incredible journey towards better health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel and be the first to witness the transformative power of the Restore Lounge. Thank you for watching and supporting our mission. We'll see you soon with more exciting updates.